Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove watermark from video without blur. So first of all, here you just need to open your internet browser. So from here, I just want to open my Google Chrome and go to this search box. And here you just need to type media.io watermark remover. Now, once you've done right here, click on enter. And you will need to click on this first link. As you can see, media.io video watermark remover online free. So once you click on this link, you will go on the main page. As you can see, media.io homepage. And then you just need to scroll down and you will find here the methods and how to remove watermark from video online. So first step is upload your video. And then the second step is highlight areas to remove watermarks. And then save your new video. And we have here two options. You can remove watermark from video online, or you can download this for PC. So mine, I will just click on this remove watermark from video. But first, you just need to sign in your account. So you just click on login. So you can see you can log in using your Google, Facebook, Twitter, or your Apple account. So if you want to create, just click on create account, just like this. And you can log in using that Google, Facebook, Twitter, and Apple. So basically, I just want to use my Google account right here. And then I just need to create a new password. So right here, just want to create this one and then click on this login button. And then here, if you click on this upload here button, so it will show you a folder and choose the folder or video that you want to use. And here we just have to wait until it uploaded on your app. Now here, as you can see the video with the watermark right here at the bottom right. Now if you want to remove this watermark, so basically we just need to click on the AI model right there at the top. So make sure that you click on AI model and then click or select this brush icon here. And you can also customize the brush size. So for example, I want to choose 30 and we're gonna erase that watermarks right there. So we're gonna wipe out all the watermarks. And once you've done right here, a button shows up at the bottom right saying remove objects now. So we're gonna click on this button, remove objects now. And the AI is starting to remove that watermark and we're gonna wait that process. And finally here, the watermark have been removed from your video. Now, once you download this video, it will now save to your computer. And that's all. That's how you basically remove watermark from your video. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.